Okay, here we are with this 98 Land Rover Discovery 1. Getting ready to replace exhaust manifold gaskets. Probably just going to do one right now, the easiest one, which is on the driver's side, or as you're sitting in the cab of the left side. There's one gasket for each side. So we're going to start it up so you can hear what it sounds like. I removed the caps that are on these because they get warped as you remove them to do tire rotations and whatnot. I've been using this Dextero tire. This is the second set that I've had. The other one is on my 2005 Dodge Dakota Club Cab. Absolutely love it. Love the tires, really good. Got them from Walmart. Unfortunately, I had a tire go bad last week where something punctured the sidewall and I had to buy a brand new one. I ended up having a big hole right about here, just something punched inside it. That tire's brand new, probably didn't got more than a couple hundred miles on it, if that. But fortunately, I had the warranty from Walmart, and it cost me $47 to replace it. That was $27 for the prorated amount of the tread loss that I had on that tire, and $10 for the mounting and balancing, and $10 for I don't know what else, probably the extended warranty again. But it's worth doing it. I've probably bought 15, 20 sets of tires minimum from Walmart, and I buy them from them only because I'm on the road all the time, and everywhere I go is a Walmart. Plenty of good tire dealers out there, but Walmart's been really good. Have no complaints. So we're going to go ahead and start this up. I'm going to let you hear what it sounds like. I'm going to position this right here, and hopefully you can see or hear what's happening. The one that's leaking, as you can hear. So I think those are 13 or 14 millimeter bolts. There are 3 of them. One there, one there, and then that one right there. So the other one is on this side, but I do not hear it leaking at all. So you can tell the difference between here and here.